Today I'm going to show you how to use the food scale. It is literally the only thing you need to start this program. But this little button right here, the tear button, is amazing and it makes your life a lot easier, trust me. I didn't know about it until my coach told me about it. So what you do is you put your bowl on top of your scale, which is obviously going to weigh something, and then you hit the tear button. Then we go ahead and we add our lettuce, which is going to add 1.66 ounces. You're going to find that in your vegetable conversion sheet, and you're going to be measuring in ounces only, which is going to be all the way on the right hand side. So we're going to add our lettuce. Then we're going to hit the tear button again, okay? Zeroes it out. Then we're going to add our 3.17 ounces of our spinach. Get all of that in there. And then again, we're gonna hit the tear button and we're going to zero it out. Now we're gonna add my last vegetable that I have is gonna be the tomatoes. It's gonna be 1.78 ounces of the tomatoes. That is gonna take care of my 3 servings of vegetables that I have to have every day. I'm gonna hit the tear button, zero it out. Then you take whatever protein it is that you choose that you're gonna use that day. I typically just grab a rotisserie chicken from Hannaford and throw my 6 ounces of chicken on top of it, and easy peasy, dinner's done. Hope this helps. Bye.